Okay, so this is going to be my Black Knight printer paper version. It's the modification for a post that I had made on Instagram and Twitter. So, without further ado, I'm just going to get started. So you'll just need an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. You're going to start by folding in half and unfolding. Next, you're going to fold to the center and unfold, and then we're going to fold so that the corner here lands on the center and starts from this corner. Unfold and repeat in the opposite direction. Next, using this crease, you're going to squash that over. And then, using the existing crease, you're going to squash in half. Like so. Next, you're going to fold this over. And then we're going to divide this edge in half, and then divide it into fourths, and roll the fourths over. Like so. Repeat on this side. Try to be as precise as possible. I kind of messed up here, but that's because I'm roughly trying to fold it quickly. Just don't fold nearly as quickly as me because it might rip. So next, we're going to fold in half, and then fold in half once more. Again, repeat on this side. Like so. Alright. Next, we're going to turn over and we're going to fold to the center turn over, and fold to the center yet again. Unfold, and right where this crease is, you're going to fold a belly fold, like so. Repeat here. Turn over, and you're going to refold these lines. And they should meet right at the very corner. Like so. Unfold these one more time, and we're going to basically inside reverse fold on these creases. Like that. And then we're going to belly fold this so it lands in the pocket. And then open the pocket in here, and you're going to place this flap inside. Repeat in this direction, or repeat on this side. Next, we're going to fold in half, like so. And then you want to fold just a little bit off the center, like that. And this will fold down. It's more so an estimate fold. Like that. Like so. Open this up. Fold that inside. And fold this behind. Next, what we're going to do is open it out like so, and roll in twice. Alright. Excuse me for the background noise. So, I'm going to rotate to this side so it's a bit easier. But as you can see, there's a folded edge in here. You'll be folding it in one or two more times. I just do it once, but it wouldn't hurt to do twice. So now that that's locked, you're going to open up the plane, like so. And with that being said, it's all done.